You love your vehicle, but even the most careful driver knows that door dents, interior stains, and chips are bound to happen. And roads and highways can be hazardous to your tires and wheels. Even the best drivers are bound to encounter a nail in your tire or a flattening pothole. Performance First Image Guard keeps you moving without slowing you down. It covers charges for items such as dents, scratches, chips, upholstery and carpet stains, windshield repair, wheel and tire damage, and even key remote replacement and roadside assistance. For example, if your tires or wheels are damaged due to a road hazard such as nails, broken glass, or potholes, you can rest easy knowing that Performance First Image Guard will cover the cost to repair or replace them and even reimburse you if you need a tow. And for your convenience, all repairs and claims are directly handled by our own Jake Sweeney Service Department. Add Performance First Image Guard today and drive on, knowing that you are protected for the road ahead.